so we have our Zencart installed. Now we want to change the look of it. So welcome to part 3, installing a Zencart template. Okay, let's go to where we have downloaded our zip file. Right click, extract all. Comes our extraction wizard. Click next. Okay, this will put it in the same folder as our zip file. Extracting. Okay, and show extracted files, and finish. That'll open the folder we've just extracted. We have the zip Cherry's End folder now. Inside this folder we have all the files needed, and of course the instructions, readme or else text. Quick look at there, always helps to read the instructions. Each template file will have slightly different instructions, but this should give you an idea of the basics of installing a template. Okay. Various options, description of the files, scroll down, special features of this template, okay, list of the files that are actually in it, and the instructions. Number 1, copy the includes folder to your website. There are no core files overwrite, so it's good. Step 2 is optional, so we'll leave this for another time. Step 3, go to your administration, tools menu, and select the template. 4, then reset the side boxes. 5 will not need because it's to do with option 2, the optional one. Okay. Now, to our FTP program. Let's clear these out of the way. And done. And open. Core FTP is what I prefer. And as usual, on the left we have the files from our local. Now to get the files from our server. Okay, scroll down till we get our site. Connect. Okay, this will automatically open at the root of the site, now not the root of this web pages. So to get into the root of our website, we open public HTML. There we have the files we uploaded in the last video. On the left pane now, let's refresh. This is the folder that we extracted the Cherry's End template to. So open the Cherry's End folder again. Okay, now we have all the different files. Here we have the includes folder. This is the one we're after. Quick look inside, you'll see the different folders that it's going to add to our site. Now, when we click the includes folder here, and we're after the FTP to our server, it won't overwrite the includes folder we have, but it'll simply put all the folders we have inside our includes inside the includes in the server. So you have 100 and so files to go. There we go, up she goes. Okay, finally, last couple of items. There we are, all done. Okay, a quick look at our instructions again, just to remind ourselves of the next step. Open with WordPad, WordPad even. And there we go. Step 3, step 2 was optional. Say we'll leave that to another time. This time we're going to straight to step 3, go to our administration page, which I happen to have open here. And our tools menu, template selection. There we have it. Our list of our installed templates. You can see we now have the Cherry Zen template installed. So let's set it as the required template. Cherry Zen, click update. Okay. And again, a quick look at the instructions. The next step. So, step 4, go to the Tools, Layout, Boxes controller, and turn on the side boxes. So, Tools, Layout, Boxes controller, and there you'll see that our extra side boxes have been installed. So, simply scroll to the bottom of the page, click Reset. There we go. Now you'll see the various side boxes have all been switched on. Quick look at our instructions. Say step 5 is to do with the optional step that we skipped in step 2, so we don't need to worry about that. Okay, back to our administration page. Let's have a quick look at our site. There we are. Before our template was installed, click refresh. There we go. One Cherry Zen template installed. Simple as that. In 8 minutes and 16 seconds.